subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If you haven't seen my last video, please give a watch. The scare of coronavirus has caused quite a massive ruckus around the world. Staying at home is something we have already been doing. But while we are at home, other than the hand wash and sanitizing, what else can help? It's important to take care of what food we are putting into our bodies. So here is a list of top 10 food that boost our immunities. Number 1. Turmeric. We are an Indian and we know how vital the spice is in all our foods and curries. But this spice has been used for years in alternative medicines, for anti-inflammatory issues, to stop bleeding and more. The bright pigment and hues present in turmeric help provide us with a way to boost our immune system. You can add it in milk, juice or kadha. Number 2. Green tea. We all know this tea is famous for losing weight. However, it also helps keep us safe and strong. Green tea is supercharged with antioxidants. It has been shown to enhance immune function. It increases compounds in our bodies that fight germs. Have a cup of green tea every day. It will help you to relax, rejuvenate and stay safe. Number 3. Poultry. I am sure this section is probably everybody's favorite. Chicken soup can extremely beneficial to prevent cold and flus or even cure them. Chicken and eggs are high in vitamins and proteins nutrients. They are also vital for reproduction, for red blood cells, for those who have a cold or flu. Chicken and eggs both catalyze your way to recovery. Number 4. Natural antivirus food. Tulsi leaves, garlic and ginger are some of the natural antivirus food items which can give protection from seasonal flu as well as COVID-19. For boosting immunity and flushing out toxic, a tulsi drink which can simply be made by boiling 3 or 4 leaves in water. Number 5. Vitamins. Among all kinds of vitamins, vitamin C and vitamin D play a major role in strengthening one's immunity. For the same, one should have more citrus fruit and vegetables like amla, lemon, orange and others. Also, egg yolks and mushrooms are a good source of vitamin D. People who have been infected with the COVID-19 are being given vitamin C capsules. Number 6. Zinc. Zinc contains powerful antioxidants that help building immunity. Include zinc-rich foods in your diet to stay healthy, such as fish, eggs, almonds, walnuts, cashew, chickpeas or chana, oats, dairy products such as milk, yogurt. Number 7. Foods with high water content. Water helps produce lymph which carries white blood cells and other immune system cells through the body. There are many foods with high water content such as cucumber, watermelon, etc. If you have a hard time drinking plain water, try watermelon, cucumber or mint infused water for an immune system. Number 8. Yogurt. Try to get plain yogurt. Yogurt can be a great source of vitamin D. So try to select brands fortified with this vitamin. Vitamin D helps regulate the immune system and is thought to boost our body's natural defenses against disease. Number 9. Red bell peppers. If you think citrus fruits have most vitamin C of any fruit or vegetable, think again. Red bell peppers contain almost 3 times as much vitamin C. They are rich source of beta-carotene. It can help prevent wrinkles and increase blood circulation to your skin. Number 10. Broccoli. Broccoli is supercharged with vitamins and minerals, packed with vitamin A, C, and E, as well as fiber and many other antioxidants. Broccoli is one of the healthiest vegetable you can put on your plate. It contains a high amount of potassium, which helps maintain a healthy nervous system and optimal brain function.